Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Now today I'm talking to you about magnesium deficiency. Now it happens in a lot of people, especially when you've got modern stresses and very high sugar refined diets. It's not so good, it just depletes your magnesium. There's two ways of getting magnesium into your body. First of all, and the most important, is to eat a magnesium rich diet. So definitely all your greens, all your fruits and vegetables, and just as much healthy foods as possible. And the second is to apply it onto the skin, because the skin is the largest organ of the body, and that's actually going to be the fastest way to absorb magnesium into your body. And having a high level of magnesium is very important. You know, it helps with stress, anxiety, depression. It really lifts your mood and keeps your strength and immune system up. So magnesium is very, very important. So you can apply magnesium topically onto your body, which is what I'm going to talk about. So you can find some sprays, magnesium sprays you can just apply onto the skin directly, and that can help with boosting your magnesium levels. But the second is by using a body lotion or a body butter infused with magnesium. This will really be a great tool because you're doing two-in-one. You're moisturizing your body at the same time you're getting your magnesium kick. Now, Neom has an amazing body butter, and it's a magnesium body butter. So this product here is amazing for getting all of your shea butter, vitamin A and nourishments. It's got all the essential oils in there, but it's got a high level of magnesium in there as well. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using this magnesium butter straight after the shower, and ideally before bed, because that's the time where magnesium can just sit inside the skin, really absorb, and whilst you're sleeping it can have a great benefit. When you apply magnesium directly onto the skin, you get optimum results and faster results as well. So this magnesium body butter, you would use a tablespoon amount and apply it all over the body. Sometimes if I've forgotten, I literally just, it takes 10 seconds. And the thing about applying body creams and body butters, I think we're just tuned into thinking that it's going to be too long of a process. But if you think about the health benefits, think about how it's going to nourish your skin and really clear your dryness away, it can just really be a no-brainer. It's just something that you would want to do. So before bed, magnesium body butter is very, very good for you. So definitely check that out, because you know you would want to have as much magnesium in your body as possible. Having a great diet is amazing. You can supplement it by using a body butter cream with magnesium in it. I would also use magnesium body bath salts, because that's also a great way for you to boost your magnesium. Just get into a bath, throw in some magnesium salts, and then you're good to go. And then I would actually literally put on some more magnesium and then you've got a better level of magnesium in your body. It's so simple. So I love it. It's a Neom body butter. It really leaves your skin nice and soft, and it's great benefits for you as well. So why not? Anyway, have a great day. That's my video for today, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.